Welcome back to my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and today we are going to do an unboxing for this Seiko over here, and it comes in a very special packaging. This is one of those JDM models, and this watch here is fresh from our boutique. Alright, I went down to Eric's place in the afternoon and he told me he only received this one in the morning. And here it is, the Seiko special type of packaging over here. You can see from the outer sleeve, it says retailer, attention, please remove. So I'm not supposed to show this to the general public, but doesn't matter. All right, let me just flip open this box here and see what we've got inside. All right, so this is a really nice packaging, and you don't really see this one from Seiko. King Seiko. Got a pouch over here. As you have guessed correctly, this is the new King Seiko model. Although they've included a pouch over here, I don't think it is a very high quality pouch. It's just one of the new canvas or fabric looking material, held by two buttons over here. And I think this one here serves as a travel pouch. Let me just cut to the chase and pull out the watch in question today. Ta-da! The King Seiko, recently released, and in the first wave of release they have 5 colorways, and this is the red version, commonly known as the red dial. Reference number for the watch is SDKS009. This has to be the JDM model. The hang tag here says King Seiko. Retail price in Japanese yen here 198,000, and street price in Singapore dollars $1,780. You can definitely buy this one from our boutique. They've got some kind of sweet backing here, and I think Seiko finally, they've decided to step up their game on watch packaging. I'll be honest with you, this is still quite a few steps away from the more established micro brands out there. And let's take a look at the watch in question. Blood red dial over here, really good looking dial. Very clean looking watch here, no date dial, and the King Seiko is actually a reissue of a 1960s model if I'm not wrong. Over here, of course, they've updated the model with plenty of new stuff, such as a new movement, better build quality with the bracelet and clasps and all that. And now with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the King Seiko red dial version. As mentioned earlier in this video, this watch was fresh from Eric's boutique, and all the wrappers here, all the films are intact. Let me just take some time to remove the protective layers over here, and I've very carefully peeled off the protective film for the crystal and the watch case. Just take a look at this watch here, simply stunning in terms of looks. Build quality here is really good. Do bear in mind that Seiko is charging you quite a bit of premium for the King Seiko models. And let's quickly go to the hand alignment check. This one here, if I'm not wrong, it does not screw in the crown. It's a non-date movement, so just one pop will do. Let's go to 3 o'clock now. Alignment is nice. Let's go on to 6 o'clock. Alright, everything looks good. And I'm going to shoot for 12 o'clock. Okay, no alignment issues at all with the handset, and I would say from the moment I unboxed this one, I think it really feels like more premium build quality. The bracelet over here is really nice with very fine links, sort of a flat link, and at the same time each link is very short, fine links. And I'm loving how this case over here, the lugs and the case sides, how nicely faceted these things are. You don't really see any curve on the lugs over here, but the downturn here is really aggressive. Just take a look at how it goes down from the mid case, and it sort of negates the protruding case back as well. The amount of downturn that the lugs are getting sort of ensures that the protruding case back does not interfere with the wearability of the watch. I've got a butterfly clasp over here. Let me just quickly pop it out and do a fake wrist shot for you. Okay, 38 millimeters case size, wears so well. And as mentioned earlier, just take a look at how the mid case here has that sharp slope and downturn, and thereby making the protruding case back a non-issue. Lovely looking red dial over here. And I'm just loving this fine link bracelet, and even with the protective film, the light play here is fantastic. We do have a signed crown over here. And this is the King Seiko logo if I'm not wrong. Just looks really good. It's a pity the crown is non-screw-in, because I think I would very much prefer a screw-in crown. Case back over here is also very simple. Instead of the Kanagawa wave and all that, this is the King Seiko emblem as well as the logo. But oh my goodness, they've actually made the logo upside down. This is not very nice. Okay, so just take a look over here. We have the watch face this way, looking so good, but when you turn over, the emblem and the logo is upside down. Wow. I am appalled. So the amount of attention here over at the bezel is also evident. Really nicely crafted here with both brush and polish finishing. And I do like this box dome sapphire crystal. So it does look like Seiko has a winner over here. Fantastic looking dial, red sunburst. Just see how it plays with the light here. Fantastic. When you got a no date, everything looks so clean, so legible, so simple, minimal text. I think this is the way to go, right? Seiko, you have been putting things like date, white date wheels, cyclops lens and all that. This is the way to go. I hope this new 6R31 movement, non-date movement, paves the way for future models to be non-date. I think I'm going to spend some time on this one and go for an in-depth review video, because this watch really deserves the time and the attention. Stay tuned for the full detailed review. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.